What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Justin back with another video. Today we're gonna be, doing a little trim, a little grooming, with these new clippers. Shout out to Ufree. They sent me in their all-in-one trimmer. So we're gonna be using this to, do a little self-groom. And as y'all can see, this is the box that needs the clippers. They are cordless, they get battery free. As y'all can see, it has a powerful motor, ultra endurance, USB charge, low noise, and an LED display. So to tell you what, percentages on. And as on the picture on the back up, they have all these different trimmer heads that you can attach to it, and guards, and the blade oil, the cable when the battery get low, the comb, everything. So we're gonna dive into this, check this out, see how good they are. They get the gold one. And if you want these clippers, and I believe they're pretty good, definitely check out the description below and use them. You can get them with the description down below. And also, I think I have a code for it also you can use. But let's dive into it and check them out, and see how they cut. So I was opening up the bag. It do come in like a little bag, so you can put everything in. And of course, like you said on the box, it has the guards, as y'all can see, the cords, some more guards. We got the comb, so you can comb your hair and all that. And we also have another guard, as y'all can see. So we'll dive in, check out the clippers. And it's pretty heavyweight. It's a nice clipper. So as you can see, this is the clipper. I love the design of design. It's dope, man. This is like some good hardware material right here. So as y'all can see, Ufree, and you press this button to turn them on. Very silent. You see, it's not even, it's not a loud noise. So you can definitely work with this 100%. And yeah, you can use the blade. And they got different blades. I'll show you this thing. I see. Got all different type of blades I can see that you can use. So it's all in one. Like, you can't go wrong with a clipper that can do all in one. So you gotta keep going back and forth with your liners, your trimmers, your beard, your nose hair. It has that all in one. All you gotta do is just pop this off, or pop this off like that. So I got it all right here. I really love this type of trimmer right here because it kind of gives a little hairs. See how I can get them hairs up. Yeah, that close shave. Look at that. Perfect. Easy, simple. Then not only that, if you think about it, you could use these just on the travel on the go. You don't have to bring out your whole, like I said, your different clippers. You just bring this in your heads. You're gonna use for sure. And like, come on now, you can just use this and be good for good for the day. Especially on trips, you don't want to be carrying a lot of things and a lot of clippers and all that stuff. You just won't want to. They can just, get you right. So you can try it out. Get a little clean up, like I said. Yeah. These are some dope clippers, man. I just did like a little trim around the neck and everything, and it cuts perfect. So like I said, if you want these clippers, like I said, I think they have 2 more colors. Check them out in the description below. Shout out to Ufree. They just send me these clippers. This is sponsored by Ufree. So definitely check out these clippers, man. You won't be disappointed. Like I said, they have all type of heads that you can change, all in one clipper trimmers, from the nose hair, for your lined up, cut, everything all in one. You can't beat it. In the description. Go to the description below. Grab you a pair of these. I'm telling you, as a man, you need some good clippers to get your trim and keep yourself groomed. So thank y'all for viewing this video, man. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and comment below what y'all think about the clippers and everything. Any questions, all that. Y'all know what to do. Comment below or DM. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace. I'm out.